Hey, I'm Kawa and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make cover for your KDP books. So let's get started. First, we need template for our cover as per number of pages and page type. And for this, Amazon itself provide cover calculator for KDP books. I'll give the link of the website in the description. Now you have to fill all the information about your book, such as measurements of your book, number of pages, etc. All these information must be filled carefully as it will affect your cover. I'm making a paperback cover, so I filled paperback as binding type. Select measurements as inches if you want measurements in inches and vice versa. Now select dimensions of your book. I'm making a cover for 8.5 inches by 11 inches book, so I will select these dimensions. And lastly, your page count. Now click Calculate Dimensions. Then it will give you dimensions for your cover and an image template. Now click Download Template to download this template. Now to make cover, open Canva on another tab and click Create Design. And select Custom Size and enter Amazon suggested values. Keep this in mind that we're making a full cover, so we will copy full cover dimensions. Now to make the spine of the book, import a rectangle shape and give it the dimensions suggested by Amazon, and place it in the center. So now we have to design our cover as per the topic or type of our book. I'm making a cover for notebook, so I will give it a simple and cute design. Let's start by adding some bear graphics. I'm going to duplicate them till it fills the whole side. Now to make this work easier, drag your cursor to through all of them, holding the left click to select them all and then group them and duplicate whole group. Now repeat the same process by adding all groups into one single group and duplicate it for the other side of the cover. It will give us a seamless pattern. Now add nameplate for the book, like I'm doing here. And it's ready to upload. You can make many covers using elements of this cover like spine and nameplate, and just by changing the graphics you will be able to make many different covers. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.